Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi nori sheets. First, understand that nori is a dried edible seaweed, primarily from the Porphyra species of red algae. The creation of these thin, dark green sheets involves a meticulous process, beginning with careful harvesting of the seaweed. This is followed by shredding, forming into sheets, drying, and finally toasting. This ancient craft has been perfected over many centuries, ensuring the distinct flavor and texture we all enjoy in our sushi. The journey of nori begins with cultivating specific red algae species on large nets in shallow coastal waters. Harvesting typically takes place several times between autumn and spring, ensuring a continuous supply. Once gathered, the fresh seaweed undergoes a rigorous washing process to eliminate any sand or debris. Following this, it is meticulously chopped or shredded into a fine, uniform pulp, preparing it for the next crucial stage of sheet formation. After preparation, the seaweed pulp is carefully spread into very thin, uniform layers onto specialized bamboo or mesh frames. These frames are then moved to controlled drying chambers, or traditionally, left under the sun. This drying process is critical, as it removes almost all moisture, transforming the wet pulp into a solid, cohesive sheet. As the sheets dry, they become noticeably brittle and develop their characteristic dark green color, ready for the final step. The final stage involves briefly toasting the dried nori sheets at high temperatures. This crucial step significantly enhances their flavor, deepens their aroma, and gives them that desirable crisp texture. After toasting, each sheet undergoes a thorough inspection to ensure consistent quality and uniformity. Finally, the finished nori sheets are carefully packaged, often in airtight containers, to protect them from moisture and preserve their freshness until they are ready to be enjoyed in your favorite sushi rolls.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.